Great job, ladies. Thank you.
Here we are at the Kuclo Classic in Plano, Texas. The booth at the Anabolic Doc. I am so excited to be here. We got so many people on board right now, it's unbelievable.
Good to meet you. He's going to deliver something really special, so I'm very excited. I want to go ahead all the way from South Florida, Boca Raton, the Anabolic Doc, Dr. O. Give him a round of applause. Let's go.
Here's the most important slide. Absolutely, this is what Steve wanted from me. Really, he knew he was going to get a good, horse and pony show. But this is what it is, guys. So this is what you got to pay attention to for yourself. ABCDs, A1C, hemoglobin A1C. But I'll talk about it from androgenic perspective. And you see, internal medicine. This is internal medicine, and you don't have internal medicine doctors anymore. Completely done. I'm not going to imagine the political spiel I can do on that, but I'll leave it away. So internal medicine, ABCDs, this is for TRT or HRT, not steroids. When you're on super physiologic high levels of testosterone and there's steroids and other agents, sundry agents and steroids in the polypharmacy, in the cocktail, which I've taken them, this is going to be obviously much worse. But it's all gambling, and you're just gambling in Vegas. So, because you don't know what you have underneath in your arteries, for an example, what your genes are for a blood clot. So these are my protocols, and it's common sense.
It's been awesome. Nothing like having Anabolic Doc out at one of the biggest shows. We're going to call it one of the most anabolic shows in the world.
Baby.
You are delivering what everybody needs to know, the right information. And this guy's a celebrity, so I love
Keeping
this
people
guy.
strong and healthy, guys. That's the now and the future.
I love it. Thank you for coming out, Doc.
Buddy.